All right, so I am basically pulling into my new spot. This is like the first initial tour. Actually, I think we're going to reverse in. This is me backing into the garage right now. Okay, make sure we park. And we're gonna switch off the car. I'm gonna give you guys a full tour. My car's a little dirty, but she's here. This is the garage. Then I have another space right here, which is super cool. And then those are the staircases right there. It has a really big space. I think I'm gonna put some shelves right here. Probably gonna close this down for now. Let's see. Nice. And there's like really good lighting here, so I can always keep my car on the outside, and I'm gonna be working out in here as well. So let me just make sure I have enough space. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, there we go. Okay, so my garage door is locked here. Alrighty. So this is the entrance. This is my bathroom. It's super nice, super juicy. I am obsessed with the tub. It's just perfect. Really nice shower head. I can see myself taking lots of baths here. It's not so big, but still cute. View is not all that great, but it's nice and breezy up here. Really nice and breezy. And that's, I guess, the older community on that side. And this, on this side around the older community, the white buildings are the newer ones. So they literally just built this. There you have it, folks. This is a tour so far of my home. Oh, lots of cabinet space, as you can see. Lots of space, lots of space. A couple other things we have to, you know, just make sure we notate. Again, this is brand new. And stainless steel everything. Fridge is pretty nice. Really nice fridge. Stove and all that. Really nice, super cute. I love the counters. And our washer and dryer is right here. So there you have it.